Hi y'all, Kande here. I am the star director for the Firefly family of teams, and today I am going to tell you about the $49 Join Kit here in September. It's an incredible deal, and even better, it's an incredible time to join because one, we have a brand new Disney partnership. That's so exciting. I mean, seriously, like, who else gets to say that they legally sell Disney products and get a profit off of it? And we have the signature scent now for Mickey, for Minnie, for Nemo, for Pooh, for Belle and Ariel and Mulan and Cinderella. It's quite amazing, and you can be part of it. So we've got that. We also have all of the fall scents available now. So as of September 1st, we've got the brand new catalog. We've got tons of really pretty new warmers, lots of farmhouse, a lot of chippy stuff, lots of new beautiful modern warmers as well. Some really fun retro cute kitschy ones too. So styles for everyone, and they're all brand new. And the new fall scents go like crazy, like absolute hotcakes, especially one like this one. This is called Porch Pumpkin. It is one of our new fragrances. So amazing. You're going to love this one. And speaking of this little tester, so this comes in your $49 Join Kit, and I'll show you right now. So here it is. So this whole big bag is full of a tester like this of every single one of the fragrances we sell. That way you know what everything smells like, and your customers will too. So it's super easy just to take this with you, put it in your purse, take it to practice or to a get together or whatever it is that you want to do, and everyone can smell these and be able to order what they want. So you get those, and again, that is every single one of the fragrances that we have. Now, let's see what else. You get in this Basics Essential Kit for 49 bucks. You also get this whole huge pack of these one sheet catalogs. I call them my man catalogs because they're just one sheet, super easy to look at. There's no fuss, there's no fluff. Everything is here on one piece of paper. So that is really awesome because you can fold those up and put samples with them, use them at events, or just give them out to people, and they're really lightweight, so easy. These are the Showcase Brochures. So these are all the fluff. Really beautiful big photos and ways to showcase the best of the best Scentsy products in here. Then you get a huge pack of the catalogs. So catalogs are obviously key to your business. You get to sell everything that's in there, and look at that, Mickey made the front cover. And it's all about being cozy, so it's a beautiful, cozy, wonderful catalog, and you get the whole pack of them. And speaking of that, so on the back where you would put a label, you're going to get a whole set of labels that you can print on your own to be able to label all of the things that we send you. You also get a consultant guide. This takes you through everything that you need to know. Now, your sponsor, that's me. I will help answer anything that you have, but if you like to read on your own, if you want to see and refer and look at things, this gives you step-by-step everything that you need to know. And then you also get a whole big pack of order forms so that people can actually order from you if you have something in person, or they can order from your website, which you get free payment available or capable website for free for 3 months included as well. That means people can just go directly to your website, order, and you don't have to manage anything. Scentsy takes care of everything, and you just get paid for it, which is super nice. We have a Scentsy Club subscription, so people actually can set it up to where they get free shipping on their subscribed products every month. You never have to touch it, you never have to do a thing, and Scentsy takes care of it all for you, but you get the commission and you get paid for it. That, my friends, is a fantastic way to run a business, I promise, because if you have toddlers around like I do, then you probably need that little extra care. Okay, now you also get a couple of products in this Basics Kit. You're going to get a full bar. If you don't know, Scentsy Wax is fantastic. It carries the most fragrance possible. It is a really, really safe alternative to candles because there's also no flame. And speaking of no flame, you get a warmer too. So this is a $35 warmer that you get in your $49 kit. This is called Etched Core. I know with the lights you can't see it as well, but I want to show you This one you can buy shades seasonally even, and kind of change up the look. So that's a Christmas one. So you can see how that joy kind of shines through. It's really beautiful. And we'll have them for all different seasons. So it's a really good versatile warmer to be able to show people and showcase the warmer and how it actually works. So if you're like me and you had never used Scentsy before you signed up, that's okay, because you have the flagship warmer and wax that you need to be able to show Scentsy off. Now this is everything that you need to start a business, whether you just want it as a side gig or you want to make a little bit more out of it, or you even want to earn a free trip. You can do that and I can help you. So all you need to do is go to www.scentwithlove.us. You click on join, make sure you see my picture there, and then sign up, and it's only going to take you about 5 or 10 minutes. Once you do that, what we're going to do is I will contact you and we will hook up on Facebook, and then I will add you to our super sweet, wonderful team of fireflies. We have over 400 around the globe: New Zealand, Australia, Germany, France, Korea, and then 32 US states, so quite a few. So you just automatically get to be brought in and welcomed into our culture and our connection and friendship with one another, which is one of my favorite parts of the business. So again, it is scentwithlove.us. It's $49 to join in September only. And the sooner you do it, the more time you have to be able to get your business set up so that you can take the most advantage of all of those people out there, all those friends out there who want all of the pumpkin, all of the cider, all of the fall scents, and who's going to be starting to shop for Christmas here really soon. Plus all that Disney stuff. So I'll give you a quick sneak peek of that real fast. So like, this is a Cinderella bar. We now have the signature scent for Minnie Mouse. Like, how cool is that? And then we have all kinds of buddies. I showed you the Mickey Mouse buddy, I think. We also have Pooh, we have Pooh and lots of Disney products. So lots of fun stuff to sell. Christmas and gift giving is going to be amazing this year, so you want to be part of it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you're not quite ready, you still have a question or two, I have some golden packets that are all ready to send off. And these have some information, some goodies inside, some samples of the fall stuff, so that you kind of have a little bit better of an idea that's tangible to be able to kind of hold on to and make a decision. So if you want one of those 10 golden packets that I have made for this video specifically, then let me know in the comments or by messaging me. Again, scentwithlove.us. I hope to see you soon, and you have a great day. Talk soon. Bye.